Yeah, almost out of batteries as well, guys. So yeah, go mad filming down here. It's awesome location. Be nice out in one of those boats as well. Looks like awesome morning out there. I'm sure they're catching lots of fish too. Looks like a nice morning for catching fish. Yeah. Oh, and the moon's still up. The moon and the sun. What was that movie? Lady Hawk. Yeah, where one was a wolf, I think, and the lady was a hawk. And they could only see each other when stuff like this. Anyway, yeah, back to the container. Work to do. I've got my work crud on. Well, we've made it out to the block. Check out this big ass battery. Should keep me going for a while. Yeah, just put the solar panels on the roof, so hopefully they get a bit more sun. And yeah, up on the ladder. Got the chainsaws out, so yeah, we're going to do a bit of chainsawing. This big boy's going down, and I've marked a few up the back here as well. Not the big ones, but ones I can handle anyway. That one, hopefully those ones. Maybe a couple up the back here. So there we go. It's still early in the morning, so I don't want to wake everyone up. As I said, it is a public holiday. And I've got a bunch of stuff to fix my kitchen up too. Later when it gets dark, I can play in the container. Yeah, fix my fridge up. Got some new storage space. It's going to be my pantry. Yeah, this section here is going to be looking a bit tidier. Oh yeah, got a microwave. The new edition. Yay. Cool. Yeah, chainsaws are us. And yeah, it's still a little bit damp out here, but yeah, gonna tackle this guy first. Cool. I'll put this back on when that's a bit more exciting. Just oiling them up. They need a bit of oil, a bit of bar oil. Yeah, I've done them all, and a bit of two-stroke. It's in the green can there. Cool. Yeah, we're almost ready to rock and roll. Cool. And I'll get the big chainsaw out to get rid of the last of it. Okay, put it up in this dump section. The dump section for now. Cool, made short work of that one. Oh, and a little one up the front here. Sort of cut him up a bit. And yeah, add it to the big pile of crap at the back. About to attack these ones here. Saving this one to last. Yeah, might start with these ones first, then these three. Cool. Well, let's go that one first. Wow, it's pretty hard wood too. pretty hard wood. Then I see how the chainsaw likes it. That other stuff was pretty easy to go through, but we'll see, won't we? And this one. Where's he gonna fall? Push that. Oh no, it's caught on that tree up there. Now we'll see what we can do. Very vicarious. Ooh, working up a sweat. Yeah, anyway, see what we can do. Popping this down. If I can turn the button off. Having a bit of dramas with this tree. It's caught up there. It's about to go, look at it. So yeah, hopefully, in theory, I go forward, that pulls this way, and that should fall somewhere over there. But yeah, hopefully this rope holds as well, because yeah, it doesn't look too strong, does it? Anyway, see how we go. Oh, I don't know, it's working. Cool, done. Go have a look. Sweet, well, she's down. Yeah, I'll chop her up a bit later. Cool. Just these ones to go. Then I'm gonna go get some breakfast and tackle the rest of them a bit later. Yeah, I think we're going to have the same problem with these ones. They're going to get caught on that branch up there. Anyway, we'll see how we go. My glasses are all Which one will we go first? I reckon I'll start at the front. Sure, we're going to have to do the same thing again. Oh, bugger it. Yeah, they're all going to do this. So yeah, back to the 4B. Probably need some stronger rope for this one. What a bugger. Probably got a snatch strap somewhere. Try this again. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to go find some bigger rope. Back to the drawing board. Yeah, I'm going to get some bigger rope. Yeah, what a pain in the ass. Yeah, well, I can get these ones. Come back to him. Yeah, what a bugger. Okay, round 3. We've got some stronger rope. Hopefully this holds. Looks like pretty sturdy rope. Yeah. Hopefully this works. Bloody trees getting stuck on other trees. What a pain in the bum. And yeah. Well, that might do it. stuck in the mud. You bast. There's doing burnouts. I did stick it in 4-wheel drive. Yeah, so the next option is I'm gonna have to get on a ladder and cut it about halfway, and yeah, fuck. Yeah, look, digging trenches. Yeah, I'm not having much luck, am I? I'm gonna have to chop this bloody tree down. It seems to be stopping all the others. Hey, look at it, caught up in that fork. Yeah, fork you fork. Give me all these fucking dramas. Yeah, should have been done it at the pub by now. It's only 9:30, but you know, should have, could have, still can. Well, see how that goes. She's on nice and tight. Not having much luck. I think I'm going to have to give it the chopski again, another chopski. Got this one down. Well, half of it. Yeah, she's fallen. Look at all the sap coming out the bottom of it. Yeah, I'll get the chainsaw onto it again. I'll give it a bit more of a cut. Cut down here. And yeah. Anyway, I'll get the Makita onto this one. Do a bit of tightrope walking. What do you reckon? Oh, no, why? Yeah, no, not really. Oh, Makita. Yeah, the Moreton needs a bit of, the chain got a bit loose. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that in a sec. Well, I've decided to chop this one down that's given us all the trouble. So yeah, hopefully she falls where I want her to fall. And yeah, we'll come around the back. Cool. Well, she was a big one. Timber, all right. There you go, Marco. Clean this shit up a bit later. Cool. Yeah, we should be able to get those little ones easy as now. Yeah, what's this one caught on? Caught on nothing now. I'll probably be able to pull that one down. Actually, no, it needed a bit of a chop, didn't it? A bit of the old chopski. It's dead. G'day, chopskis. Yeah, it's not really caught on anything now, is it? Slowly, but not surely. Come on, go. I think this bit of rope. There we go. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Was keeping her up. Well, don't need to pull her down anymore. Making a mess though. Almost there. Making a bit of a mess. Check out this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get him off the next property soon. But yeah, it's going good. Yeah, it's got a bit of rope hitched up to this one, so it doesn't fall on my neighbour's house. Haven't cut it yet. But yeah, gonna cut it down here and on this side. And yeah, a bit more tension. Should hopefully go that way, not anywhere that way. Cool, I'll get the chainsaw going. Here is it. Well, it's going to be hard to get to this side. Could be a fuel issue. Oh geez, I'm nice and tight. Well, round two. Yeah, check out my skiddies from before. Yeah, that tree's still caught up there. I'm gonna have to get a ladder and cut it halfway, but I'm not doing that today. Of course it's caught on that branch. Now, see if we can pull it down on the car. Not having much luck with getting trees down without them getting caught in other trees. Hopefully that just pulls straight through. See how we go. Beautiful, that come down perfect. I was a little bit nervous on that one. Let's go have a look. Cool. Yeah, it was getting caught up on that branch up there. So yeah, got enough to make a house almost. Snibbity snap. Getting my arboristy on, my tree lopping. No expert, just having a crack. Yeah, got half a bourbon left. Yeah, this one's giving me the shits. It's been cut already. Caught up in that tree. So yeah, as I said, I'm gonna have to probably get the ladder out and cut it about halfway and see what happens. Yeah, I can't really get the car over this way just yet to pull it from a different angle. But yeah, he's stuck in there. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna probably get that off old mate's property next. And yeah, just tidy these up into more manageable bits. And yeah, then it must be pub o'clock for sure. But yeah, oh Mr. Hart, what a mess. They say you got to break a few eggs to make an omelette. Cool, oh, happy days. Well, it's only almost 12. I thought it was later. That's what you get for getting up so early. Made a mess. But I'm gonna go to the bottle shop and get some beers. Come back and tune the chainsaws up and yeah, chop these down a bit. I mean, cut them into smaller pieces. But yeah, check it out. You can see sunshine again. This one hanging out the tree. Ooh yeah, I'm knackered. I think the chainsaw's knackered too. Yeah, this one's still stuck on the old gum tree. So yeah, we'll see what we're going to do about that one, but that's not now's problem. Yeah, so I'll cut all this down a bit. I'll start with that first. It's gone over the fence. And yeah, cool. Better take that rope off before I go down the bottle shop. Be dragging a tree with me. Anyway, see you in the arvo. So we're going to start the clean up. Gonna start getting rid of this. So I'll start there and work my way out. Usually I'd start there and work my way back, but yeah, and then I've got all that crud to deal with after this. Yeah, good times. So yeah, hopefully the Makita's going to be up for it. Just fixed that one again. The blades kept coming off. Chain was a bit loose. Yeah, she's been working alright today, the old Makita. She's nice and light too. I'm going to make this my pile of crud until we go through it all. Cool, now I can open my container again. Yeah, Guy Fawkes night. No, not really. It's good we're in autumn. You wouldn't want to be doing this in the middle of summer. It'd be dry as. I'm going to cut this one in half too. See, heaps tidier already. Yeah, I'll cut this one in half. Yeah, my log cabin, it's on its way. Cool, yeah, as I said, I've got a bit to go. So yeah, I'll pop this back on later. Yeah. Look at this. If it was a big tree, she went thud. Cool. 3 o'clock. Hey. Just a quick sip. But yeah, got the majority of it down. Well, on my side of the fence anyway. Yeah, once I get rid of these bits, I'm gonna section this one up because I'm not Arnie. Yeah, at least get it off the neighbour's property. And yeah, I've got heaps to play with up the back there too. So yeah, I've got plenty of different types of wood. Might make stuff, I don't know. I've got a mulcher at home too, but I don't know about that. Well, this was the divot. Yeah, just cutting her up with the Macleay. Draggy, drag. Next thing I'm gonna do is get this fence happening, but not today. Yeah, got enough to keep me busy. Gonna get a kitchen going later in the next couple of days. Not a fancy one, but at least I'll have some cupboards and stuff. Not living out of bags. Yeah, cool. Almost there. For this bit anyway. And then we've got crud section up here. But it shouldn't be too bad. Just little cuts, boom, 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 boom. And hey. Yeah, that one's still hanging up there. Don't think she's going anywhere in a hurry. But yeah, good times. Almost gone. Bloody heavy bastard. I had to cut this bit in two. I thought I was going to drag it in one, but no. Yeah, check out the rings. Oh, still got this bit to go. That's alright, should be pretty easy. Yeah, and be working on the fence at some stage too, guys. Got the fencing stuff too. Just got to measure those out and put them down, and then put some fencing on it. Got some proper wire fence. My neighbour gave me some, or my neighbours. So yeah, get the boundary going. Not doing the mow today. Brought out over the new mower though. The new Massport, look how shiny it is. Runs sweet as. Got about 3 of these guys and a contractor. And yeah, it's good when they're brand new. Forget what they're like, otherwise they're a pain in the ass. Most of the time. No, not really, they go alright. Cool. I'm gonna finish me Heineken and yeah, just drag those logs back over and sort of tidy up a little bit. It's only 1:30. Sweet. Yeah, got rinsed. So yeah, on my way to go do that lawn. And I managed to find a toilet too. Yeah, I think I've left the phone back at the container, so I'm going to head back there and pick that up and then start mowing. Yay. Shit, it's not a big mow. Should only take me an hour, I reckon. And yeah, then I can do some stuff on my block. Guy just chilling on his kayak, having a fish. Yeah, definitely got to get the tinny over. Cool. Oh, check out the block. Doesn't look that bad. Remember it last time? Yeah, I was here about 3 weeks ago, a month. And I was fucking about this high. It took me 3 hours to do. So yeah, it'll take me about an hour today. Sounds like someone's got the mulcher going, chopping some stuff down. But yeah, I've got the new Massport today, so it should be a piece of piss. Check it. Yeah, got it last week. It's only done about 3 mows. And yeah, it's got the whippersnipper. It's good when everything works. It sucks when, yeah, you got the Victor breaking down, whip snipper breaking down, but we get it done. Anyway, once I get this done, I'm back to my block and I'm going to tidy that up and be beer o'clock again. Cool, show you the end result.